This construction project, in fact, is fabulous because, as you see, we are using the MiC methods. It is going to mean a shorter construction time. And this shorter construction time means that our students get to experience the hall life that they deserve earlier than it would otherwise have been.
MiC is changing the Hong Kong's construction industry. I'm very glad that under Professor Kwok's leadership, the City University of Hong Kong is applying MiC technology in this very special project. I was told this is the world's largest student hostel project to have adopted MiC technology.
Needless to say, campus life is a very important part of the education for our students. From the comments you heard from Chairman, Secretary Ho, it's very clear this project is really a pioneer one.
Today we have the honor to be appointed as a contractor under CityU for this prestige MiC projects. In fact, we build this project in a more efficient and high quality projects. The program actually has been shortened probably 1 year or 2 years.
3, 2, 1. The MiC installation is now initiated.